What's up, world? We are in Vogel State Park in the North Georgia mountains today, hiking the Bear Hair something trail. Bear Hair Cut Trail, I think it's called. Check in a minute and fix that if need be. It's about a 4-mile round trip, so a loop trail, and I am super duper excited about it. See what kind of cool, pretty views we can find. Definitely gonna have to come back another day and come earlier for the 12-mile Coosa trail loop. But today we're doing the Bear Hair Trail. So we just got to this little fork in the road here to go look at Vogel Overlook. So here we go, Vogel Overlook. Oh wow. Oh, that's a real pretty view of the lake. Down by where I started, where the parking lot is. Yeah, right down there, you can see kind of see the cars right there. Down to the right from where that little building on the water is. So get an even better view from up here. Here we go, top of this little hill where someone made a very snazzy stone pile. Look at that, that took some skill and patience to balance all that. It's very nice. Anyway. Not much of a better view from up here after all. It's actually not as good. It's better about 20 feet down there where we just were. Anyway, back to the regular part of the trail now. It's hard to tell exactly from looking at the map, but it seems like this point is anywhere from 1/3 to half of the way through the whole loop trail, which is about 4 miles total. So we're probably have about an hour to an hour and a half left here. So I've gone another, I don't know, half mile to a mile, and we're close to water again. You can barely see down through all the trees and stuff. A little waterfall down there. So let's see if the trail actually takes us there. That would be cool. Wow, this is beautiful. Except that, pretend that's not there. Aside from the random industrial pipe coming out of the ground. This is real cool. Some nice little stream, some rapids. Haha, made it. So right where we just crossed the stream a second ago is this intersection right here between Coosa Trail, Coosa, I don't know, and Bear Hair Trail. So it looks like we're probably 2/3 of the way there now. Lots of water flowing down the mountain here. This is real pretty. And then we have these huge rocks jutting out of the ground all of a sudden. Let's see how the view is from the top here. pretty much just a whole lot of stream and trees and leaves. This is very pretty and nice and peaceful out here. Would recommend out of 10. Let's see, how am I going to get across here? Still there. Well, we're just about at the end, finishing up with this nice little stretch of creek to look at. And I'm seeing cars already, so looks like that is it for today. So it's a good view of the creek. So hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. If you want to be one of the first of 10 million subscribers, hit the subscribe button. I'm only 9,999,993 to go. So let's get that count up sooner rather than later. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.